ka symbol of Sneh Society kalapulong ek audition jang North East Sustainable Fashion Show 2023 haga arpu pratarik uno apra arhaja arpu ar hayud hostel Shillong yakani la pulong rin kar ka jes nokhti lang jang office of chief electoral officer ka jala Megalaya ka jingtmu jang ni ka fashion show ka long ban ai ka jingtip ka babanya shaki samla chapang ka Jingdonkam ban wood ban ai ka rai ka jongki kani ka society ka loong Bakariam kabej kamday tangkan kom im hindi gala ban long ru kata ka atyar na kabenta ban hikay yaki samla jong kani ka juk ka pamenta.
Northeast Sustainable Fashion Show. I am impressed by Preeti Thapa that she has organized such a wonderful event for the youth. The youth which are like the future for tomorrow. They will slowly become the bread earners of their own houses, and that the electoral office has given them the chance to express their opinion about the democracy of the country and the state. It's really great. One thing I would like to tell the youth is that be the change you want to see.
So I'm pretty stunned by this association that's happening with the Electoral Commission along with Sneh Society. The youths are growing up and they really need to vote, and I think this really has a lot of importance among the youths. And also it's in a way it's promoting fashion, which is something which is needed a lot in our society right now in Shillong.